Are you looking for a quick update on what happened in the stock market? Well, you came to the right place, TLDR stocks. Let's take a look at what happened last week so we can get prepared for what's coming next. Is the stock market finally ready to put a positive end to this year? This was a week when it seemed like so much could go wrong. There was the Japanese central bank raising interest rates to levels that haven't been seen since 1999. A whole bunch of economic data came down the pipe. And we had AI fears perhaps coming to a head and driving the indices into a big breakdown. And yet the rebound was sharp and convincing. So maybe we will get a positive end to the year. But let's take a look at the charts and see what we have. All right, of course, starting with my favorite technical indicator, the percentage of stocks trading above their 50-day moving averages, but I like to call AT54 above the 50. Unfortunately, this downtrend is still in place. We had a brief breakout that I thought was very bullish and positive. That was in the previous week, but the downtrend resumed. Now, the next two indices, the S&P 500, you can see right here, this breakdown and then the quick recovery back above the 50-day moving average, which is the red line. That's a positive. But that double top from the two interest rate cuts from the Fed is still in place. The NASDAQ couldn't even get to its all-time high in its last peak, but it has recovered from the breakdown below the 50-day moving average. And of course, IWM, the ETF of small caps, it never actually tested its 50-day moving average, so that's pretty positive right there. And not only that, it tested and rebounded from its 20-day moving average, which is that dotted line. All right, let's take a look at some of the individual stocks that caught my interest for the week. Thanks for hanging out till the end. Like and share, put feedback and comments down below. Don't forget to come back. And you can always get more details on my blog at drdura.com/122.